What's up, my name is Hai, and in this video I'm going to show you the tutorial for the workout dance for the ERIH event 2024. Let's go. Alright, here we go. We start with the intro. We start from the ground. The first 8 count we stay there and we go up the next 8 count and slow. And from here we have like 2 parts in this choreography and we start with the first part. Yeah? So I'm going to the right, stop and left, hop. And I pull my arms left and right. That means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We do it again. One more 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if we're doing this, don't forget to bounce. Okay? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here on, we're going to the right and stop, left and stop. We go back, right and left. And both arms going up. We push up and bounce. And from here on, we're going back with the arms. It's 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And from here on, we're going with the left foot to the left. And I'm trying to turn and push up. I'm going to the right and push up. And again, we have boom and jump and hop and jump. And from here on, we slide right and stop, left and stop. Both arms going to the left while we're sliding. So 1 and up. Both arms going up. We slide left and up. Again, 1 and hop and slide and hop. Yes. Okay, let's do it slow. From the top, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back. 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's do it a bit faster. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that was the first part. Let's move on to the second part. With the right foot to the right, left cross. While we're doing this, my arms going cross, just open. We switch cross and hop. This is 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. Stop here. So we move to the front, double, and we go back, hop and hop. While we're doing this, I'm going to roll my arms to the front. It's of 1, 2, 3, 4. Lean left, back, and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My arms just pushing from here to the left. While I'm doing this, I'm going with the right foot to the right and push. And we push from here and push. It's 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. And then we're going to the right, hop, left, hop, Right, we're just going to the front just a bit, okay? And then the arms is going from up, down. That means we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My head is bouncing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, this is the second part. Let's do it slowly from the second part. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So we do it a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the end of this dance, we have like a freestyle for you guys. You can do whatever you want, just turn or something, come together and make a cool pose. And remember, if you can't get some steps, you can rewind the video and learn it slowly, alright? So now I'm gonna dance the whole dance with music.
We're breaking the wall, united them all. We're gonna work it out, work it out. We're gonna work it out. It's the day of the industry. Come dance here right next to me. We're gonna work it out, work it out. We're gonna work it out. From the factories to the streets, where innovation leads. Come here and be part of this. It's an event you never wanna miss, never wanna miss, never wanna miss. It's an event you never wanna miss, never wanna miss, never wanna miss. Oh. It's the day of the industry. Come dance here right next to me. We're gonna work it out, work it out. We're gonna work it out. Work it out.
Thanks for watching and learning my tutorial. I'm looking forward to see a lot of videos from you guys.